Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I'd do a quick review of one of the Fabulosa bundles from the TikTok shop. I am mildly obsessed with these. I keep buying them and I can't help myself. I don't know what it is, they're just such good value. They smell incredible, and there's something about buying cleaning products that kind of makes me almost want to start cleaning. So I'm always like, well, maybe this will be the nudge I need to actually clean my house. So I have bought quite a few of these bundles. I bought I think it's called the Caramel Date one. That was good. I bought the Winter Angel one. That was also really good. I bought the Mixed bundle, which I liked less. And I bought the Summer Crush one, which again, I liked less. But my absolute favorite, the one that has blown me away, has to be this one. It is the Black Rose Fragrance Bundle. I love this. As you probably know by now, I'm a bit of a perfume snob, and I did not think this would smell as good as it does. It's called Black Rose, so as you might expect, it smells kind of like oud and roses, and it's really good if you like perfumes like Penhaligon's Halfeti or one of the Tom Ford ones, or like Frederic Malle's Portrait of a Lady, that kind of thing. Like that real kind of like dark, mysterious, but kind of rosy, kind of oudy perfumes. It really does smell like that, but kind of like for your home. I honestly don't know how they've done it, but it really does fill like your bathroom and your kitchen with the smell of just like, I don't know, luxurious perfume. Like it smells good, and it really doesn't smell like cheap. I thought it would I thought it wouldn't hit the mark, but it actually smells good. And I'm just really impressed with it. So I thought I'd share it with you. So I got my bundle on sale. I paid with it with my own money. It wasn't like a freebie or anything. And I think when I bought it, it was like on a special offer. It was like $8.99, something like that. And I was honestly shocked at what I got. So I got the disinfectant concentrated cleaner thing. You basically mix this one with water. So you can either use it like in your mop water, or you can put it into a spray bottle with a bit of water and like spritz it on your worktops, however you want to use it. It's a bit like Zaflora in the fact that you can kind of use it however you want. You just kind of like, use it as like a general cleaner. You can use it neat and undiluted. You can use it as a spray if you decant it into a bottle. You can use it with a cloth. You can really use it however you want. Clean your sink, clean your floor, clean your wood, clean anything you want, but it leaves this really nice scent. Just like, I don't know, shockingly delicious. It smells so good. Like, it honestly smells really good. It smells like rose, oud, something sweet, kind of like vanilla or something. And it's got kind of almost like a patchouli leathery note as well. It's really good. Like, I can't believe I'm smelling disinfectant and being like, oh, it smells amazing, but it genuinely does. So in the bundle, I got this. I also got the fabric softener, which I have not used yet. And then I got the liquid scent booster gel. Now, this is not like clothes washing liquid. You need to use your general liquid, and then you put this in as a scent booster, kind of like you'd use an Unstoppable. So please don't think this is a detergent. It's not. It's just a scent booster. And then I got the fabric freshener, which actually I was a little bit disappointed with. It's nice, but they didn't nail this one like they nailed this. I don't know what it is. It smells good. Like, let me spray it on something. Maybe I'll spray it on my makeup bag. Like, it smells good, but it really doesn't smell as good as the disinfectant. Like, your floors will smell better than your clothes. Don't know why, just putting it out there. Anyway, aside from that, in the bundle, you also get the Dazzling Bathroom, which is really good. I'd love to say I used it the weekend, but actually my cleaning used it. And my bathroom smelled incredible afterwards. And then you get the multi-purpose cleaner, which is a bit like the spray bottle of this. So it's kind of like a diluted version of this in a spray. Again, it smells really good. Let me just do it. I think she used this in the kitchen. Yeah, again, it smells really good. It's so good. I don't know how they did this. It's almost worrying that they can make a disinfectant smell so good. This is in here and it shouldn't be. I've obviously switched some products around. Anyway, I got the bundle. I think I got 6 items. Yeah, I think I got 6 items. And then by accident, I put this in the wrong box. This is the Summer Crush. I don't like this one as much. I don't know what it is. It's meant to be kind of like solar, sunshiny, kind of kind of like that sunshiny Sol de Janeiro vibes, a little bit caramelly, a little bit solar. I don't love it. Maybe it's a bit youthful. It's pretty, but I'm just not into it. It smells a little bit cheaper, whereas this actually smells pretty luxurious. So yeah, anyway, that is my video. This is incredible. The fabric freshener stuff I'm not as into. I haven't tried the fabric softener yet. I'm going to use that when I next do my thingy-mabob. And then the bathroom, kitchen, multi-purposey stuff, that was all really good too. And I just think it's an incredible bundle for so little money. And I honestly can't believe that it makes my house smell of like oud and roses. And I really like that. Anyway, that's my video. I thought I'd share it. If you have been interested in seeing them, I just thought this video might be helpful. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.